children, today let's start with chapter number 4, Industries in India. So in this chapter, we will study about different types of industries. Now, what is industry? Anything, whether it is big or small, we use has been made in factories. So these are the places where people work with hands-on machines, and what they do, they make different objects from various raw material and food products. Your pencil, your bags, papers, clothes, utensils, tools, scooter, car, trains, aeroplanes. Everything it is made by using raw material in industry. So factories turn these raw material into finished product that we can use. Depending upon the size of industry or kind of machine, किस तरीके की machine है, and number of people working in it. Industries are of three kinds. They are cottage industry, small scale industry, large scale industry, and let's know about them in detail. So first of all, we will study about cottage industry. भाई जो क्या होता है कि जो गांव में जो लोग रहते हैं, फैमिली मेंबर ही मिलजुल कर काम करते हैं, ठीक है, वो एक साथ बैठते हैं, काम करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं. Cottage industry is different from all other industries because these industries do not need heavy machinery. ठीक है, इसमें heavy machinery की जरूरत नहीं होती है. There is only the need of establishment in a one house itself, और जो different members है family के वो काम पे. So cottage industries are popular in the village of India. They have kept many years old tradition culture alike through production of things like toys, carpets and bags. So main cottage industries say carpets at Kashmir, handloom at Mysore, ivory products at Visakhapatnam, toys at Kondapalli, bangles at Firozabad, and decorated utensils at Tanjore and Varanasi. So let's study about small scale industries, जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा people चाहिए और simple machines होती है. Here more people working and simple machines are used. People work in factories और वो electrical, plastics items और जितने भी utensils हैं, garments है, bicycles है, automobile parts है, इनको grow करते हैं. Then large scale industries, textile, iron and textile mills, oil refinery, automobile industry, like your cars and other vehicle, cement and your chemical factories, they are sub large scale industry. As the name suggests, such industries are big and have hundreds of people working. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, large number of people, 100, 100 हो गए, 100 से ज़्यादा हो गए, लोग यहाँ पे work करते हैं, right? So we can say that here the goods are produced in large quantities. Such industry need continuous and huge supply of material. They also require a huge amount of electricity to run the machine and good transport system, right? So that the facilities will be available to the people in very less time. So some important industries you can see here. We have heavy electrical goods. आपको रांची, भोपाल. Then aeroplane manufacturing, Lucknow, Nasik, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. Next is iron and steel, Royalkora, Durgapur, आपका जमशेदपुर, भिलाई, बोकारो, विशाखापट्टनम. Then shipbuilding, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Mumbai. Oil refinery, Visakhapatnam, Digoi, Trombay, Mathura, Barauni और आपकी कोची. Automobiles, मुंबई, पुणे, कोलकाता, गुड़गांव, जमशेदपुर, जबलपुर, नासिक, चेन्नई. Computer goods and parts, Hyderabad, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई, कोलकाता. Cement, राजस्थान, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश. Then we have fertilizer, जो आपके महाराष्ट्र हो गया, केरला हो गया, गुजरात, तमिलनाडु. It's takes में देखने. Sugar, उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब, हरियाणा, मध्य प्रदेश. Pharmaceuticals, वडोदरा, मुंबई, दिल्ली, कोलकाता. Woolens, अमृतसर, लुधियाना, पानीपत, मुंबई, कानपुर, मिर्जापुर, जामनगर. These are the different destinations. ऐसा आप देखते हैं कॉटन की आपको कोलकाता, अहमदाबाद, राइट, जूट हो गया कोलकाता, सिल्क हो गया आपका मैसूर, बेंगलुरु, कच्चीपुरम, ठीक है, और चेन्नई का तो सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस होता है. देन वी हैव इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. देखो इम्पोर्टेंट तो है इंडस्ट्रीज हमारे लिए, उसके साथ साथ वो हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को भी इफेक्ट करते हैं, राइट. So we can say that the development of nation first need development of its industrial sector. The production of industry is sold inside and outside the country. So what industries provide? They provide work to a mass people. Industries are the major cause of pollution, environmental disbalance. और यहाँ पे केयरलेसनेस की वजह से क्या करते हैं, अपने इन्वायरमेंट को भी हार्म करते हैं, राइट. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस चैप्टर. Now let's start with the exercise of this chapter. It's time to work. First is let's discuss how do more industries create employment in the country. Right? Then take the correct option. There are mainly dash kind of industry. We have three kinds. Cottage, small scale and large. Dash is a cottage industry. Candle, plastic goods, silk. Candle. Then soap and shampoo are produced in dash industries. That is your small scale. Next is fill in the blanks. Huge machines are used in dash industry to produce in goods in large number. So, in which type of industries? Large industries, right? Next is industry may cause dash and dash pollution. ठीक है? तो air and water pollution. First iron steel plant was set up at Bokaro. Dash and dash are example of raw material we get from plants. Dash and dash are the products from cottage industries like toys. Now, match the column. We have cement. These are the different industries like we have cement in Bhagalpur, jute in Madhya Pradesh, Kolkata silk, at Kochi woolens, at Ludhiana shipbuilding at Kolkata. Now write yes and no. A large scale industries need huge amount of electricity. It's true. Next, India does not have any cottage industry. False. There are many cottage industries. We need agricultural product as raw material to make different products. It's true. Factories do not create employment. False. It creates employment. Industries do not cause pollution. False. It causes pollution. Next is answer the following question. What are different types of industry? Here you have to tell the different types of industry. List any 3 uses of jute. Name any 4 cottage industries, toy making, and are different with the candle making. What are some requirement? Large scale industries के लिए अच्छा location होना चाहिए जहाँ पे raw material capability हो. Then we have answer in detail. How are cottage industries different from small scale industry? स्मॉल स्केल जो इंडस्ट्रीज में उसमें मशीनरी सिंपल मशीन की यूज होता है, लेकिन कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए हमें कोई मशीनरी की नीड नहीं होती. ठीक है, मैनुअल मैन पावर की भी नीड नहीं होती है. वी नीड सम पीपल, दो फैमिली के जो मेंबर होते हैं वही काम करते. वाई आर इंडस्ट्रीज इंपॉर्टेंट? इंडस्ट्रीज क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है और लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज क्या होती है? इसमें आपको ज्यादा मशीनरी, ज्यादा लैंड एरिया, ज्यादा लोग चाहिए होते हैं वर्क करने के लिए. राइट, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट. वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द एक्सरसाइज. नाउ वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.